What's happening, students? Any day is a great day to learn some things you never knew, and to continue in our conversation with my everyday rush hour traffic, where we talk about free versus paid traffic, and we're continuing in our conversation when we're talking about using safe lists and traffic exchanges in a connection with login ads, right? So I'm excited, guys, about this series. I'm excited about this particular video because this is the final video where we're going to close out using safe lists and traffic exchanges and login ads. Now, up until now, we talked about when you want to get traffic, that massive exposure for your business. We talked about YouTube video marketing, and then we talked about login ads using the safe list, where everyone logging into that actual platform would be exposed to your particular business opportunity, your affiliate link, where you want to redirect to in terms of promoting, marketing, and advertising your business, your products, and your services. So we're going to continue in the login ad platform, guys, but now we're going to talk about the login ad blaster. Okay, because it's a little different from the last platform we talked about, because you're talking about a login ad that's seen across the networks inside of that particular platform. But now we're talking about a network of a safe list and traffic exchanges where you just place your affiliate link, right, for your business, and it'll be blasted across 15 different websites as an login ad. That's what we call it, the login ad blaster. So I want to show you guys exactly how this is going to work. Number one, here are the actual sites that your ad will appear on as a login ad when you use this particular service. Now, let's go up here, guys, and I want you to know that once you set up your free account, which you can do by clicking the link below this video, you'll have your members area, you can edit your profile, you got the frequently asked questions. Of course, you got a support desk, you can log out. But let's go here. Well, I want you guys to get a look at the sites, okay? Very clean, very simple, very easy. So once you're inside of your member area, after you set up your free account, let's go to buy and manage your ads, okay? Now, guys, here's how this particular site works. These particular login ads that's going to be blasted across 15 different safe lists and traffic exchanges, you purchase on $7 blocks. I just purchased another one. I'm going to show you guys what I did. But what will happen is your website will be shown as the daily login ad for a minimum of 15 seconds to everyone who logs into any of the networks that's inside of this particular network, or that combination of different safe lists and traffic exchanges for a whole 24 hours. Now, what you need to consider when you're talking about massive exposure for your business, okay, getting more traffic for your website, is that you want a continuous, endless, non-stop exposure to your affiliate links, to your capture page, okay? We're talking about building a list, okay? So when you're doing this in conjunction with all the different techniques and tactics and strategies we're talking about, this is how you keep a steady stream, right, of traffic flowing into your marketing system. So anyway, I just came down here, guys, and I purchased a block for August 4th, I believe. Now, by the way, will you see these pink little blocks? Those slots are already taken. I can tell you these slots fill up fast, guys. I came back in here to get some slots and they were gone. But let me show you. I got one that's scheduled on the 4th of August, and I just purchased one for 30 July. And the reason why is because I had to find, you're going to find the first green spot you can. As you can see, 30 July is taken now because I just purchased it. And you'll click on that particular square. If it's available, it will be in green. But anyway, that's what you want to do. Once you do that, right, you'll be redirected to the payment processor, right? And as you guys can see, I took my affiliate link and I plugged it into the actual date that I wanted to book for my particular ad. It's as simple as that, right, in terms of getting massive exposure for your business. So for you guys who are continuing, right, in terms of getting that additional or extra exposure for your business, exponential exposure for your business, if you would, because again, we're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15 separate traffic exchanges, safe lists, that you can have a login ad appearing for, right? A minimum of 15 seconds to everyone logging into these platforms, right? For a whole 24-hour period for $7. I think that's phenomenal in terms of making sure that we keep our business, right? That we keep our marketing systems out there with a daily stream of fresh, targeted buyers or people who are looking for either ways to make money working from home or maybe even your particular product or service. And in this case, guys, we know what link we're going to be using. So that's all you have to do is log in. After you do that, you'll go to a payment processor. You can pay by credit card, PayPal. Plug your affiliate link right in here, guys. You want to edit it at any time, you can come into your members area. You can do that. And you're ready to go, guys. You're ready to blast your ad as a login ad across 15 different Safelist and traffic exchanges. So again, you can click the link right below this video. It'll actually get you set up with your first account or your free account, should I say, and you can go on and do that. I'm really excited. I'm really pumped up. We're turning up the dial, guys, in terms of getting more exposure for your business. So I'll meet you guys in the next video.